Okay, she's set. Come across here. What I'm looking at is this body line right here. I gotta come back just a scooch right there. But when I look at it, the front end is actually down a little bit, which is good, because by the time I rubber mount that now, that'll be right up in there. And it's the same on both. Right here. Whoop, where's the camera? This is hard. I'm not a cameraman. Right there. So that front end's got to come up just a scooch, which I'm hoping is the thickness of my rubber mount core support mounts when I build it up there. So when this front end raises up just that little bit, I'll be able to hit that. To make sure, tomorrow what I'll do is I'll put the hood on and I'll check it for gap in here. That'll tell me if it's low or high, and then I'll set everything for there, mock it, block it up, blah 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 blah, and she'll be set. But I'm kind of looking here straight across. You can see how that, picture that motor just a little bit higher. That'll look really, really good. My exhaust ports are going to be right in there. Plenty of room down in here. I can get a header in there. I can do whatever. And over here, I gotta run out back, and we got an old Jeep Cherokee that's totaled out there. I'm gonna try to mount that vacuum booster here with that pedal assembly, and I think I got plenty of room here. Again, I gotta set the hood, set it for the height so I can make sure exactly where I'm at. Then I'll know exactly what size booster I can use, what pedal assembly to use. Put this up where it's supposed to be, and then start fabricating. Yeah. Fabricating it together. Kind of like fabricating a lie, huh? Well, that's it. I think I'm going to call it a night. Got a little done to her. Like Dad says, the secret to a hot rod is do something on it every day and you'll get it done. Okay.